Hello, this is EWL. We manufacture ultraviolet lamps and disinfection equipment. Today we are going to take apart the EWL AQUA 28. So, what is included in the package? Installation passport with warranty card. Plastic fasteners for the housing of the installation to the wall. Bactericidal ultraviolet lamp produced by our company with a warranty service of 11,000 hours. The body of the installation made of stainless steel with spigots for the connection of water inlet and outlet of 1 inch, external thread. The quartz cover and seal rings are already installed in the housing. There is also a viewing window on the housing, which filters out dangerous ultraviolet radiation and leaves only the visible spectrum, so you can safely monitor the operation of the unit. The last one is Glow, EPRO, ballast, lamps. It plugs into 220 into a simple socket and powers, turns on the lamp. So, the installation UVL AQUA 28 is designed to disinfect approximately 1.8 meters of cubic water per hour, which corresponds to a house with 4 simultaneously open faucets. Also, this unit can already be used to disinfect water in a pond or swimming pool. For more information on how to select this equipment correctly, how to install it, and how to maintain it, see our other videos. Takeaway.